Have you ever reached into your pocket for your wallet, grabbed nothing but air, and just felt your stomach completely drop? Yeah, we've all been there. Let's dive straight into this explainer and learn how to take immediate control of your financial security using Ally Bank's digital tools.
Seriously, we've all felt that sudden, terrifying wave of panic. You're patting down your clothes, wondering, wait, did someone steal my card or did I just leave it on the counter at that coffee shop? It is literally a terrifying few minutes. But today, we're going to flip that script. We're transforming that panic into pure empowerment. By the end of this explainer, you're going to be equipped with the exact step-by-step skills to lock down your finances instantly, right from your phone or your computer. Total card control is quite literally right at your fingertips.
So, what are we actually talking about here? A card lock is this brilliant security feature that lets you instantly pause your debit card's ability to make new transactions. It's like flipping a temporary kill switch. It gives you immediate peace of mind while you tear your car apart looking for the card, saving you from the massive headache of permanently canceling your account and waiting a week for a new piece of plastic to show up in the mail.
Here is our roadmap for today's explainer. 1. The importance of security. 2. Setting up online access. 3. Steps to lock your card. 4. Additional security measures. 5. Common issues in troubleshooting. And 6. Conclusion and final tips.
Section 1. The importance of security.
You see, proactively managing your debit card security is absolutely crucial. It can literally prevent a simple, oops, I left it at the bar mistake from becoming a massive financial disaster. As Diane Moraes from Ally Bank points out, this feature isn't just about stopping thieves in their tracks, it's really about giving you everyday confidence and control over your hard-earned money. With digital banking, the power shifts entirely back to you, the account holder.
Section 2. Setting up online access.
Obviously, before you can lock your card in a total panic, you need to make sure you actually have your digital access set up with Ally Bank. Because, well, you can't secure what you can't access, right? If you're new to this, here are the prerequisites. First, grab the Ally mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Next, register your account and set up your login using your account numbers. And finally, and seriously, this is a massive pro tip, enable biometric verification. Face ID or Touch ID in your phone's settings. You want this active because in a moment of sheer panic, you really don't want to be fumbling around trying to remember some complex password.
Section 3. Steps to lock your card.
Okay, this is the main event of this explainer, the actual actionable steps you can take right this second. First, let's talk about the mobile app. If you've got your smartphone handy, it takes exactly 4 simple taps to update your card status at the network level and instantly block unauthorized processing. Check it out. Step 1, log into the Ally mobile app. Step 2, hit that main menu button. Step 3, choose the debit card option. And Step 4, just slide that toggle switch to the on position to lock it. Honestly, it's that easy.
But hey, what if you left your phone in the exact same bag as your wallet? Don't panic. If you prefer using a desktop computer, the web portal workflow is just as lightning fast, and it bypasses the need for a phone entirely. Step 1, log into the secure portal over at ally.com. Step 2, navigate to your checking or spending account details. Step 3, click Manage right next to your specific card number. And Step 4, slide that toggle switch to the on position. Boom, locked. And obviously, when you finally find the card wedged in your couch cushions, you just reverse the process and toggle it back to off.
Now this brings up a really common point of confusion. What actually gets blocked when you do this? Here's the deal. Locking your card stops new purchases, ATM withdrawals, and one-off transactions dead in their tracks. But, thankfully, it will not block your recurring credit card payments, scheduled bill payments, or automatic transfers. So you can lock out the thieves without having a heart attack about your electricity getting shut off or your Netflix subscription bouncing.
This feature is actually so powerful that some savvy users don't even wait for an emergency to use it. Look at this strategy from a Reddit user. They keep their card locked literally 24/7. Their whole vibe is unlock, use, lock, all in the span of a few minutes. They literally only unlock the card for the 10 seconds they're standing at the cash register. Talk about taking control, right?
Section 4. Additional security measures.
So, locking your card is a fantastic first line of defense, but let's dive into how Ally Bank stacks other features to basically build a fortress around your account. Behind the scenes, they use multi-factor authentication. Those SMS codes they text you that are valid for exactly 20 minutes to prove you're actually you? They also throw in free WebRoot Secure Anywhere anti-malware software for up to 3 of your personal devices. Add all that to their 24/7 automated account monitoring, and you've got a seriously robust layered defense system. Now, I want you to burn this number into your brain, 60. Under Ally's security guarantee, you have exactly 60 days from when your statement is available to report unauthorized transactions to get a 100% liability shield. To put that in perspective, if you spot a sketchy charge and report it within that 60-day window, you are entirely off the hook. You will not be held liable.
Section 5. Common issues and troubleshooting. Look, sometimes things don't go perfectly to plan, and scammers are getting sneaky. They love to spoof bank alerts to steal your login info. So you absolutely need to know what legitimate bank communications look like. SMS text alerts about fraud will literally only come from the short code 86975. Emails? Only from Fraud Service Center at alerts.fraudservicecenter.com. And if a real fraud specialist calls you, caller ID is going to show 855-706-1012. Always verify that the alert you just received is actually from Ally Bank.
And hey, if you're totally locked out of your digital accounts, or you realize your card isn't just hiding in yesterday's jeans but is actually permanently lost, call these dedicated support lines immediately to get a real human on the phone. You've got the standard domestic support number, a dedicated international number you can call Collect if you're traveling overseas, and a specific card activation line for when your shiny new replacement card finally arrives in the mail.
Section 6. Conclusion and final tips.
Let's wrap up this explainer by locking in everything we've learned about your digital security. First, a quick professional disclaimer. Look, technology evolves at warp speed, so remember that while these steps are totally current today, bank interfaces, policies, and app layouts might shift around over time. Always consult Ally Bank's official website directly for the absolute most up-to-date instructions and help.
And I want to leave you with this one thought to chew on. Are you actively protecting your digital wallet right now, or are you just sitting around waiting until it goes missing? I highly encourage you to log into your account today, whether that's on your app or your browser, find that debit card lock toggle, and just practice taking control of your financial security. Build that muscle memory right now, before you actually need it in a blind panic. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and seriously, stay secure out there.